Xiaomi SU7 officially launched with price range of 215,900 to 299,900 yuan entry-level and high-end configurations. It is worth admitting that the appearance of SU7 is really good and has become the focus of many people. The most distinctive feature of the front face is the brass-shaped headlight group. Creative and extremely recognizable. The side part is the typical coupe-style body design with fastback shape and is equipped with frameless doors, frameless exterior mirrors and hidden door handles. The overall design is very simple and smooth, giving the vehicle an elegant temperament. 5-spoke plum blossom patterned rims give the vehicle a perfect body stance. The highlight of the rear of the car is the ring-shaped all-over taillight design, which has a 3D three-dimensional effect when lit. It is not only unique and beautiful, but also more recognizable. In addition, Xiaomi SU7 is also equipped with an electric lift tail, which supports 4-speed adjustment and can provide up to 130 kilograms of downforce. It is worth noting that the shape of Xiaomi SU7 is not only for aesthetics but also for aerodynamic design. The entire car uses 8 sets of air ducts, a total of 17 real air outlets, and is equipped with 16-speed adjustable AGS active. In terms of body color, it offers rich options to consumers by offering 9 color options: Gulf Blue, Sunshine Purple, Olive Green, Elegant Gray, Meteor Blue, Cambrian Gray, Diamond Black, Lava Orange and Pearl White. Positioned as a mid-large sedan in size, Xiaomi SU7 has a length, width and height of 4997/1963/1455 mm respectively and a wheelbase of 3000 mm, equivalent to a Vita 12, GGA S7, Krypton 001. In terms of space, Xiaomi SU7 has 1012 mm of legroom at the front and 105 mm of legroom at the back. In addition, the trunk volume of Xiaomi SU7 reaches 517 liters, and the conventional depth reaches 1136 mm. When the rear row is lowered, the volume can reach 1959 mm. The front trunk also has a volume of 105 liters, which provides a good advantage in terms of loading. From the interior perspective, its overall layout is very simple. What is seen is the 16.1-inch 3K resolution central control screen, which has an adjustable sunflower angle function and integrates most of the functions into the car. It is also equipped with a 7.1-inch flip-up LCD display. When the start button is pressed, the screen automatically turns up and displays the necessary driving information, and the driving mode can be switched instantly. It is also equipped with a 56-inch HUD with a maximum brightness of 13,000 nits. The steering wheel adopts a 3-spoke, flat-bottomed design and integrates the driving mode and intelligent driving control buttons, boost mode and activation button. In terms of intelligent driving, it is equipped with self-developed full-range intelligent driving technology and has advanced technologies such as Zoom BV wide road model and super-resolution occupancy network. In terms of hardware, it will be equipped with 1 LiDAR, 11 high-resolution cameras, 3mm wave radars and 12 ultrasonic radars, a total of 29 smart driving sensors, which will jointly complete the detection of the surrounding environment. Also equipped with 2 NVIDIA Orin X chips with a total computing power of 508 TOPS, the entire series comes standard with high-end smart driving functions such as high-speed piloting, one-button valet parking and smart parking assistance. In terms of power, Xiaomi SU7 offers single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor four-wheel drive options. The maximum power of the single engine is 220 kilowatts, 299 horsepower. Peak torque is 400 Nm and 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time is 5.28 seconds. The highest vehicle the speed is 210 km/h. The maximum power of the front engine of the dual-motor version is 220 kilowatts, the maximum power of the rear engine is 275 kilowatts, the overall system power is 495 kilowatts 673 horsepower, and the system peak torque is 838 Nm. It is equipped with boost mode, which provides instant acceleration of 0.95 g. The 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration time is only 2.78 seconds. The 0 to 200 km per hour acceleration time is 10.67 seconds, and the maximum speed can reach 265 km per hour. Moreover, with the support of Brembo 4-piston brake calipers, the braking distance from 100 km per hour is only 33.3 meters. In terms of battery life, it is equipped with a lithium iron phosphate battery pack from Xiangyang Fudi, BYD, and a triple lithium battery pack from CATL, depending on the configuration. The battery capacities are 73.6 kilowatt-hours, 94.3 kilowatt-hours, and 101 kilowatt-hours, respectively. Among them, 73.6 kilowatt-hours corresponds to a pure electric cruising range of 700 kilometers, 94.3 kilowatt-hours corresponds to a pure electric cruising range of 830 kilometers, and 101 kilowatt-hours corresponds to a pure electric cruising range of 800 kilometers, respectively. In addition, Xiaomi SU7, which has an 800V high-voltage platform, can be charged in 5 minutes and reach 220 kilometers of battery life with CATL's Kirin battery, and can be charged in 15 minutes and reach 510 kilometers of battery life.